That's good. That's good.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video. This is CICIS part 2 with Iranian Hook and Russ.
We're gonna be robbing them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be teaching you guys how to finesse pizza. That's right, guys.
I didn't wear all this shit right now. Fuck my bicycle.
If you could hear what he just said, I don't know, but
yeah, maybe a preteen description down below.
Let me show you guys the technique. First, you got to get yourself a lunchbox right here, and yeah, promo code. Here's our sponsor for today. To say Adventure Ridge Essentials. That's our.
You gotta look like a damn narc.
Oh wait, hold on. We have to do this 24-hour challenge, Rick. You had to cover the camera.
24 challenge.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's currently 12:41 a.m. and we're still driving to CICIS.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay guys, now it's currently 12:44. Fuck, 12:41 a.m. or p.m. Dude, I get confused with this.
PM.
You'll get over it.
You'll find another life to live. I swear that you'll get over it. But I know you're sad and tired. You got nothing left to give. You'll find another life to live. I know that you'll get over it.
All right, guys.
Let me get my shout out then.
Oh, your shout outs? Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna have to throw away my sandwiches or eat them or some shit. I don't know.
Add me on Snapchat. Oh shit.
Oh, that's an ass? Are you fucking stupid?
Big fuck.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna be flagged on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nick sent it to me. He's like, wanna see a cute pic?
I need to make sure. I need to make sure that I don't ruin my fucking.
Ew,
Here,
hell no.
can one of you guys take this?
What do you mean Wellington?
It's like him. Yeah, show him it.
Oh yeah, like I want to see it.
You don't see anything. It just looks stupid as hell.
To make sure that the tinfoil works in my favor.
Hopefully Rodrigo's here.
Where the fuck did he go?
Show me when I'm eating, because I like that. Hey, in the back. In the back.
Rick, do you have anything to say?
Cinematic shot.
We just arrived at CICIS, guys.
Gang gang CICIS.
Yeah, be a gentleman.
Damn, where did it go?
Oh. I just dropped your phone. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. 24-hour challenge. Look at them titties.
Hold on to that shit.
Titties.
Is it really not?
I don't know. It's like very good.
Yeah, we're getting this rolling. I worked 5 to 10. Not today though. It's like a little window.
Hold it for a minute. Just here. Just hold it. Just here. Just hold it. No. Okay. Oh, me.
Guys, currently Rodrigo's not here.
I gave him a fake credit card, so let's see.
He's gonna be fake credit card prank.
Oh, okay.
Get a water pump for that.
Ozarka. Guys, shout out to Shimateo for giving me the Rolex challenge over here. Same thing. Water. guys, we've arrived. Let me get my plate first. Hey, you can have this.
Who is that? That was mine.
Hide in his pocket.
It's not a phone. That's the G7X.
G7X.
X, and you guys are freaking use it, dude.
How do you set this up? Ozarka. Okay, well, it's not gonna focus on me eating like.
First bite. First bite's pretty good.
Shout out to Tyler with this pasta.
Yeah.
Our channel's PT.
Yeah, this is like PBS and up. Fucking. This is like we are sponsoring the channel PBS and CNN News.
What is this? It's like garlic parmesan.
This shit's dry as fuck. What it should be.
Yeah. I like dry food. I like dry food.
Yeah, I should get that here. We're gonna make a tower up so right now. Press power. Part 2.
Make sure we get a good foundation.
Yeah, make sure you get the good foundation. Part 2, you did. So this part like yeah.
Time lapse. Hey, stop moving. We're back, guys.
Why'd you turn it? I can't see the seat. Turn back.
These are good.
Fucking dry as hell. There's like nothing on it.
We're gonna do food review on their new pizza.
Yeah.
Buffalo pizza.
Pretty ass.
Jesus Christ.
Oh! We're gonna open up this Pokemon card pack.
This is right here.
Alright.
is what we use to lynch black
Let's see
people.
what Pokemon we got.
But sure, now we're gonna get freaking. Oh my. But sure said this is what we use
Alright.
to lynch black people.
I didn't say that. You just
So
said
now we just lost black viewers. Black viewers.
This is a Pokemon tag.
Now we have Jordan viewers.
Fucking PewDiePie.
PewDiePie.
Oh, we had to make a video, apology video.
This is my response video, guys. Bashar, start talking.
For this end of drama.
Start talking. You gotta. When Bashar tried covering up, but his mouth was still on the fucking camera.
Yo, I'm not gonna upload this shit. This is so bad.
I mean, we're gonna upload a 2-second video, but we're not uploading this. That makes sense. Danny, that makes
I guess we
sense.
have to, but it's only been 14 minutes. We want the ads, you know what I mean?
Just put parts of it.
Why the fuck are we so quiet, bro?
Big ass fucking piece. What is this?
Guys, we're also sponsored by Ozarka.
Nice. Alright, I need to get rid of my sandwiches that I have in here. Just put them in the trash or something. Or eat them. I don't know. I kind of want to eat them, but I also kind of don't. It's really soggy and shit. They're soggy as fuck. I should throw it away. Jalapenos? Yeah, they do. I'm not gonna get too much today. It's like good. What is this? Eating a baby right now? I'm the only one young sugar. So sugar
Eating with Edmund.
It's fucking book on right now. I thought that man was gonna go here.
Huh?
I thought that man guy was gonna go here.
I'm getting too much screen time.
Yeah, Rick, you need to start doing your part, your segment.
So we're on a date right now. He left me.
Alright guys, this is how you finesse full pizza. These tables are so dirty. I want some buffalo chicken pizza. Sorry.
say?
The spicy stuff. They always like, I keep looking at
Take it. I just took it from them.
Oh, you just took it? Alright.
I always do that.
Yeah, how much is coffee? Like 2 grand?
About 40 pesos.
Can you put more chicken?
I know, right?
Yeah, I'm done. We ain't gonna play hard.
You want $1, son?
They kicked me out of the arcade because I was too good.
Bullshit.
They took all of my prizes. I'm gonna show you how to boot game. He took the toys. We can't boot game him no more.
They lock up the toys.
No, he had a bag of toys out there.
Oh, you should grab it.
Yeah, I was gonna boot game.
Ozarka, we're sponsored by Ozarka.
It's my
21 minutes. You could see those guys.
5-5.
We have to make part 1, part 2.
Friendly assholes.
You guys do a full video to get all that ad revenue.
We gotta make it to the 30-minute mark.
We're gonna keep on playing it until we get to the clock house.
Yeah, no, let's just keep recording till I get to the
clock house.
Until we leave.
I'll be like 2 hours.
I like my phone will die.
It's been about 2 hours a day.
2 hour challenge.
No, we'll just switch to the DSR or the Canon 720G or whatever.
Or the Bandicam. Bandicam.
The DXR to handle the fucking chair. I'll just switch to the chair.
This place is so dirty, I'm scared to like put my bag here. Yeah. Tyler's like outside. Actually, no.
He's gonna make money. He's in our video. He's gonna get sponsored too.
Sponsorship? No, it's okay. Our tower blocked it.
No, you can see his fucking penguin ass hair. Is he like British?
I think so.
Alright, we're good. Mission accomplished, guys. Mission accomplished. How much time they're all talking about us right now? Like they're both talking
Like,
some
bro,
shit.
I can't believe Rick went to off campus. Dude. He always goes.
That's what they're gonna do.
He never goes off campus.
What?
Like Danny. He went off campus. Like what the?
You could be like Danny. He usually goes with him.
Oh. Can't promise you though.
Tyler was hyping up the fucking toad shit too. Bro, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna fuck around with the toad. Okay? And then I'm not there. I'm right here fucking eating. He's over there staying with Vince.
We need to make a meme of fucking Tyler and Toad making push-ups.
That's just fucking disgusting. That's like
That's probably what he wants, bro.
I wouldn't be surprised. You always fuck with girls. Just to
Tyler and Toad bestiality prank, some shit like that. But that's disgusting.
Redneck animal fucking Toad is super elite officer.
We're recording ourselves. We're gonna expose ourselves right now on camera.
Oh fuck. Oh my god. Damn it. I forgot. They're gonna watch this. They're gonna watch this. Do it, Tyler, Vincent. No, Tyler, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Tyler.
Tyler, we're not kidding.
We're not joking, Tyler.
Guys, this key tape in real life. I'm actually nice. I actually donate to Harvey.
Then you have to speed this video up.
Hey, the viewers don't like you, Tyler.
No, I'm gonna keep it in.
Mike Leonard.
I mean, the fucking hater. Mike Leonard. You roasted
What's his name, Mike?
It was like
Mike Leonard. You roasted Tyler for being just in the video.
I really hate that. Like, I don't know why I so much of it.
Did put the cross mic right there. Yeah, they.
Oh, that's disgusting. What the fuck?
Yeah, they're fucking gross, dude. I don't know how that happened. How to sue, like, suing CICIS on camera. You want to try stacking these?
Can you go test out the brownies? See if they taste like Play-Doh.
They still kind of good.
Oh, you already ate it?
Make sure it's eating right now.
I already ate it for them. I don't know. They're not that bad.
Rest in peace, diet.
Oh yeah.
That's just the layer.
No, so you're knocked over.
Don't fucking do it, dude.
Just
I got all that grease in there. That's
Oh, bro.
disgusting.
I didn't get that much.
Don't touch the meat grease, dude. That's what it is.
Dude, grease is my life. Sprinkles on top. Try to get some.
It's like you're in the camera.
No, because the thing is, someone's gonna have to put this away, and if that pepper gets on them, rest in peace, fucking Polo.
Just give it up.
Yeah, the end of the boom.
Y'all like my video of me watching porn during lockdown?
Yeah. Freaking lockdown, dude. BDSM lesbian porn.
I was watching.
Mia Khalifa plus Steve Jobs collab iPhone 8 porn.
I searched it up and I had my VPN on, and I guess I was in Dutch. Yes, you took it. It said I was in Dutch.
You're gonna roast me, dude. Dutch is gonna fucking fucked up. Some guy named Rebar over here watching porn in Dutch.
Damn, I fucking made that.
Fucking fell over, dude.
I don't know, I want to play games.
Well, it's because of dude there doing stuff.
How long is it gonna be down?
Oh shit. There's a guy in there.
Yeah.
I just stared at him like, I don't know, like my reflex.
Wait, so
I
you
just
don't-
stared at him hard. I was like,
So we don't clean this up?
no, not yet.
No, we're gonna clean it up. We can't do that. That's so mad. Look at that. There's so much pepper. Go back to that.
Give me that. What a boom, boom, boom. You want me to boot gang this?
No way.
Bro, this shit's so greasy.
I wonder why.
So much fat redneck babies got in it. Oh, fuck that. It's not even worth taking.
Is that seat taken?
You want that? Nope. Alright, today we're gonna play pizza toss. You're thinking about the weights.
I mean, honestly, any weight still. Like, I mean, fucking sit on it.
My legs are
Look, we're gonna see how high.
Hey guys, welcome back. Oh shit, we're still playing.
We're gonna see how high I can play this.
So guys, with this food review, it's gonna be pasta with some soup. Spicy habanero challenge right here, guys.
Sis?
No water, no water. Just straight habanero.
Bro, I can do another. Let's do it again. Look at all these.
Bro, stop.
I had to call 911.
It's like 2002. There's no stopping in there.
King biceps.
Add him on Snapchat. Creatine.
We're gonna do how high I can get the brownie.
Oh, guys, this is Dude Perfect, and this is the fork catch.
Dude, perfect decision.
This is the Dude Perfect, the brownie catch. Yo, taco. Huh?
All right, guys, we're getting some water right now because the habanero was too spicy for me. Dude, that actually fucked me up just now. I shouldn't have ate so much of that. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna get some noodles. So hot, jeez. My tongue is so. Ugh. The tea thing.
Oh, running there, booging on the fries.
The prizes, yeah.
Yeah, me either. I only watched it from Step. Dude, this song's from the Step Brothers. That's why. What are you thinking about? I watched it again.
I haven't watched that movie in so long.
I watched it like.
Here, let me put down the camera.
There's nothing good about this though. It's like straight full.
So tell me a review about that pasta.
At Mike Leonard, you know what I'm saying? It's gay as fuck.
It's gay as fuck, guys. There you have it. CICIS Pizza is gay as fuck.
Wanna see how high this could go? Let's see how high this could go.
Hey, do it with me. Do it with me. Do it with me. Dude, he took red shot.
I gotta go wash my hands. That was nasty.
Hey guys, Taylor Swift is here. So guys, we're gonna expose Bashar's card number.
There's cash.
So guys, I just dropped my phone, and let's see if the case helped out. Amazing. Let's give them something to think about love. Ooh, love.
Watch this Kobe Bryant.
Oh shit. Okay, when you're asked, I mean, this is how you do it right here. Guys, this dude perfect. I made it? Oh, fuck. You got me happy.
Yeah, I guess so.
Watch this.
So, guys, basically, the last person on this table gets to throw that pizza away.
Oh, what is that? Let me see that fake.
That's all you, bud.
Guys, we're also sponsored by Fiji
My Long John
or
Silver.
Ozarka. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, right here.
Where?
No, I'll try to go.
Oh, but sure, stand right here.
You're the defender right now. Watch this shit. Watch this.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I accidentally walked it just happened.
Guys, this is the. Oh, that's wet. Never mind.
Alright, this one. This right here. Yeah, I know.
So, Edmund will be showing us a trick shot, guys. Go ahead, Edmund. Go and show us that trick shot. Here comes the trick shot. Oh, shit. Dude, I don't want to yell because that guy's gonna get kicked out. But fuck it. So guys, FedEx just arrived for our merch. Our merch is here. Our merch is here, guys.
The whole time.
Yeah. Look at that. Hey guys, so our merch is here. FedEx, shout out to y'all for giving us our merch.
Shout out to FedEx for giving merch.
Yeah, shout out to FedEx. And shout out to CICIS Pizza, bro. Yeah, actually, fuck CICIS. Fuck CICIS, guys. Don't ever go there. Their pasta is shit. Their pasta is so shit.
That'll conclude this episode, this vlog. We've successfully finessed from CICIS. I'll show you guys actually in the car right now. My haul. Can you open the door for me? Because they're fucking pointy, bro. What do you mean? I'm perky. Open my door. My titties are perky. Leave me alone. Ah, fuck. That hurt.
I mean, let me see it.
No.
Oh, yeah, actually, you're here.
Alright, guys. We'll show you the
You need to be weighing 210, but in reality, weighing 250.
210. You want to see proof? That's what I thought. The 210 is my dick.
You fucking suck. There's a fucking red pepper thing in his hair.
Who?
Fucking Russ.
Russ? He is Russ. Guys, I told you we have Russ with us right now. Alright guys, this is what we've grabbed today. You know, just the standard, the good shit. We got the buffalo and the good shit down there. Whatever the fuck is spinach. That's all it takes, man. And that's how you finesse.
It smells like fucking pizza here.
Well, yeah, fucking, we just ate pizza and I opened my lunchbox. This pizza will be good for approximately 24 hours with this lunchbox, included with the heating pads in there that I have. And are you scratching your dick?
Of course I am.
He's scratching his dick on video.
Iranian Hulk exposed without camera.
Exposed. If you want to see his dick, there's a video in on our channel called "Man Exposes Penis in
Go to
Public."
RedTube and go to Iranian.com and then.
Yeah.
No, go to RedTube and look up Iranian exposed.
Yeah, and you'll find it there. And if we hit 1 million views on this video, then we will all quit our jobs. And I'm quitting my job next video, so that'll be fun.
Yeah, guys, we will be separating. We will be separating in a couple minutes here.
So we'll see you guys in the next episode, next video. Go ahead and do the outro.
Hey guys, this has been IB Batman and.
And,
Fuck!
Peace.
Oh, restart.
No, you have to. Okay.
If you want a free gift card, like the video and subscribe.
And make sure you have post notifications turned on. We're giving away 5 gifts.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Holy shit!
Holy fuck! Guys, a
Sean was kidding, bro.
fucking god!
car almost fucked us up.
Did
you see that on video, dude?
Bro, oh my god.
Oh shit!
That's maneuvering of the 21st century! Holy
I thought Sean was kidding, bro.
Dude. Bro, I can't wait to watch this shit. Dude, okay, guys.
I thought she was gonna stop, bro.
Hey guys, this has been I Be Batman. See you in the next episode.
Yeah.